Today and tomorrow we are going to work on a program called Vault. This is a program from EverFi. This is the same website that we use to do Summer Slugger, but this is a totally different course about money. So you're going to click on the link. It's going to take you to the same login page, and you're going to log in with your username and password. Shouldn't have to change your password this time since we did that the last time that we logged in. When I sign in, though, I am only going to see Summer Slugger because that's the one that I've already done. We're going to have to add the Vault. So what you're going to do, it says up here, add a course. On this page, you see the class codes. I'm also going to have the class code on the board for you as well. So let's say that I was logging in to Jenkins. So I'm going to type in the class code that is here and on the board, and I'm going to click add. Once I click add, then that course is going to pop up. So we're not doing Summer Slugger. Once you get the course added, then you'll have a blue Get Started button for the Vault course. So that's what I want to go to. Once it comes up, you're going to click on the Play Now on the world here, and then it's going to get started. This guy's going to talk to you, and once he gets through talking, you will have some things to do. You'll have arrows down here where you click the next arrow. Sometimes you're sitting there and it's not talking and you're not sure what to do. Check and see if that little next arrow is lit up so that you can go on to the next part of what it's asking you to do. So you're going to need your headphones because once it stops talking, then there's that little arrow. So it's going to do some more talking. I've just paused and then re-recorded. Once it was done with that, I'm going to click Get Started. And now I am in the world. So it says I'm on number 1 of 6 responsible money choices. So they are locked until I finish certain activities. If it's a little blue bullseye, then that is what I need to go to. So I would click on number 1 and I would do that quiz. Once that is unlocked, then some of these other locks will come up and then you can pick one of those to play. And this is just number 1. If I click the arrow, I go to the number 2 for income and careers. If I keep going around the world, making plans with money, credit and borrowing, endurance and safety, savings and investing is my 6th area of learning. And then if I keep going, I'm back to number 1. Now it does show me scores and how much you have completed. So I will be checking that you are working hard. So remember I said we are going to be doing this today and tomorrow. So get as far as you can and learn as much as you can about understanding money. It may not seem like the most fun thing right now, but I promise you, especially as you get older and get a job, these are things that you are going to have to know about money.